So, sa Kaiser Long-Term Care, dito sa hierarchy, 3 na yung ina-address niya. So, sa Kaiser, may healthcare and short-term and long-term care, may protection and life insurance, at may investment. So, ang Kaiser is 3-in-1. Pag sinabi mong Kaiser, tatandaan nyo lang po is 720. 7 years ka lang pong magbabayad at 20 years kang insured. Pag-usapan natin. Kasi 'di ba depende yan sa plan kung ano yung plano na kukunin mo. So kanina na-discuss ko na sa inyo yung mga benefit. So pag-usapan natin kung ang kukunin mong plan ay K200 Kaiser plan, ano yung benefits at maturity or on the 20 year. So ano yung mga benefit mo? Ang unang benefit mo is long-term care benefit guaranteed 200,000. Mayroon kang long-term care bonus, okay? Pag hindi mo yun nagamit yung annual benefit limit mo during the 7 years, okay? Or during the accumulation period is 700,000. Okay? Ngayon, ang unused accumulated yearly health benefits mo projected is 539,500. Okay? Ang unused accumulated yearly health bonus mo is projected siya, okay, na 892,837. Ito is benefit at maturity or on the 20 years of your Kaiser plan kapag K200 ang iyong plano. Okay? So, ito yung summary ng benefits at maturity or on the 20 year. Ang long-term care benefit mo, guaranteed 200,000. Okay? Ngayon, yung long-term care benefit mo, guaranteed if yung annual benefit limit mo was not used during the 7 years is 700,000. Unused accumulated yearly health benefit is 539,500. Unused accumulated yearly health bonus is 892,837. Total benefits projected value is 2,332,337. So magkano ang contract price mo kung K200 yung plano mo? Contract price mo is 117,643 times 7 years ka lang magbabayad. Okay? Magkano ang binayad mo? 823,500. So magkano yung total benefit mo na projected value after 20 years? 2.3 million. Good or very good business. Good or very good investment. Di ba napakaganda? So ito yung K200 Kaiser plan. Okay? Pwede kang magbayad ng 7 years annual, semi-annual, or pwede din mag-spot cash ka. Kung maluwag-luwag ka, ito ang the best na Kaiser plan para sa'yo, K200. Okay? Di ba? Napakagandang investment na mag-work for you sa iyong retirement years and you will be living on interest. Ito yung K200 Kaiser plan, projected value at age 60 and 65. Assuming you are 30 years old now. Kung 30 years old now ikaw, kukuha ka ngayon ng Kaiser mo, ito yung projected value. At the age of 60 years old, mayroon kang projected value na 6 million plus. At the age of 65, ang projected value mo is 9.7 million plus. Magkano ang contract price mo? 117,643 times 7 years mo lang siyang babayaran. So magkano binayaran mo? 823,500. So kung titignan mo yung binayaran mo sa projected value, okay, ng age 60 and 65, kayang-kaya na yan sa retirement mo. So, di ba napakaganda ng ating K200 Kaiser plan? Pwede kang magbayad ng annual, semi-annual, or pwedeng spot cash kung ayaw mong mag-installment. Napakaganda or very best na investment. Di ba napakaganda?